Okay, this is day 6. I can speak today. My voice is still not completely right, but I can speak. Um, Last night, I had a horrible time. My throat would not stop draining. I had so much pain and swelling, and it was a really rough night. Towards the end of the night into the morning time, I was able to get some rest. Um, Today, I have felt extremely exhausted. It's probably just from all the sleep that I've been lacking. Everything just catching up with me. Um, I've had a hard time eating. It's just like now it seems like things are starting to get a little bit harder to do. Okay? I'm feeling more pain. The swelling's down quite a bit. I got on the scale this morning and I'm down to losing 11 pounds. But I absolutely do not feel like eating. I feel nauseous if I do want to eat. Of course, I got the draining stuff again. Um, you'd think after being 6 days, I would feel pretty good. Well, I can tell you I feel better than day, 2 or 3 or 4. But this is just becoming a process. Now, I did have some clotting come back out of my nose today when I got in the shower. I can breathe through my nose a little bit better. But then that also started more of the taste and smell that's like super nasty. So, I don't know. I'll end up giving you guys an update later today. But as of right now, I just don't feel good at all. So, I'll catch you later. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks. Okay, today's day 6, and I can speak a little bit better. But I'll tell you what, I've had a battle today with sleep. Honestly, today I've got more rest than I have any other day. But along with the rest comes the penalty. Every time that I wake up, my throat's been sore. I've had breathing problems. My jaw's been hurting. The whole 9 yards. All this is just severe pain. And to get the pain down, I'm having to ice everything up. So if I do go to sleep, then I wake up, then it takes about half an hour to get everything calmed down to where it's not severely hurting again. I ended up in the shower a few different times today, just so I could soak in nice warm water to relax. Today's just been a really different day from the other days. I've been able to eat some yogurt today, but I tried eating a few pieces of steak, and that went really bad. Really bad. It completely tore the back of my throat up, and this steak was like shredded to nothing. So I don't know if it's actual meat or maybe the juices, but I can tell you the steak was bad. The yogurt, those are fine. Now, a few minutes ago, I was in the bathroom and I ended up having a battle with my nose. Now this is going to get kind of disgusting, but I'm going to let you know what it's going to look like. This blood clot mess came out of my nose. Just picture taking a handful of blueberries and smashing them up. And it's all nice and warm. Now picture blowing that out of your nose. That's what came out. I was choking really bad, so I had no choice. I didn't blow hard, I just blew lightly. I had to get this junk out of me. It was choking me in the back of my throat. I couldn't breathe. It was really bad. And of course, you know, I had to brush my teeth afterwards and ice my mouth up, and I'm still feeling pain, so after I get done with this video, I'm going to go back to the ice. This many days, and I'm still having this many problems. Totally unreal. But anyways, it's towards the end of the night right now. So here in a little bit, I'm going to try to go back to sleep. And maybe I'll get lucky and I can sleep the whole entire night. I doubt it. I've been averaging about an hour to an hour and a half each time I go to sleep. So it's not good sleep. It's just a little bit. So if you guys haven't already, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. Watch my other videos. And I'll have a day 7 update tomorrow.